In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram call failed problem. If you're trying to call someone on Instagram and frequently getting the call failed error, then here's how you can actually fix the problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. To not fix the Instagram call failed problem, you just need to swipe down from the very top and enable the airplane mode for let's say 10 to 20 seconds, and after that turn it back off. This will actually slightly restart the network system, and also you can try switching your network Wi-Fi to mobile data, or if you're still using the mobile data, and connect to a stable Wi-Fi connection and see if that fixes your problem or not. If you found that you still have the same problem, then press and hold the Instagram application and then tap on app info. Now go and tap on clear data at the bottom right, and then tap on clear cache and then tap on OK, and pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and then open up the Play Store and then go and search for Instagram here. Go and tap on Instagram, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your Instagram application to the very latest version, and force close the Instagram application from the background and restart your phone once. And once you have restarted your phone, most likely the problem is going to be solved and your call failed problem will be fixed. But if any case, if you found that you still have the same problem over and over again, then here's the last guide that you guys can do. Simply go and press and hold the Instagram application again and tap on uninstall button, and tap on uninstall and uninstall the Instagram application from your device and reinstall it from the Play Store, and log into your account and try calling someone again. And most likely this will fix your problem. Hope you find it super helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.